everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the lock screen on your Android phone. So I believe this is the latest version, 15 or 16, and I'm going to show you how to remove this. So I'm just going to scan my finger and log in. Then on the home screen here we want to swipe on down from the top right, go to settings, and it's going to be a little bit different depending on your version of Android and your phone. So on my Honor phone right now, I have an entire section called Biometrics and Password down here. Yours could be like Lock Screen and Password or something like that. But let's go to here. And then we can just go to Disable Lock Screen Password. And disable it. Draw your password or wherever it is. And then it should unlock, and it's going to remove the Face ID and the fingerprint ID as well. So now if I turn this off and turn it back on, I can just swipe and it should be removed. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.